Bee saved. Bee puns already. Yeah.
Yeah.
We will tell you how to save the bees and why they're dying.
Exactly. Some people are going to think, why should we save the bees? What do they do for us?
Well, random person, they're useful because they pollinate up to $215 billion of plants a year. That's up to 75% of our crops. Yeah. For all those coffee bean lovers, they pollinate coffee beans. So that means no coffee.
I don't know about you, but I think I definitely want to save the bees.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah. Okay. That's too small. The only things we could be...
Left with to eat is corn and wheat and rice. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sad. That's real bland.
Okay.
That's real bland, man.
Yeah. Most of our animals would be gone because they wouldn't have any food. So,
Yeah.
you know.
They eat a lot.
And that means we get no food. That means no more meat. And let's just say we'll all be vegetarians. And
Who likes vegetarians?
yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. So, we're going to get to show you how now. Why they're dying. And then we'll do how.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Hey guys, you wanna know the first thing that hurts bees? It's the American foul brood disease. This is a bacterial disease of brood which does not affect adult bees, but it affects baby bees. So, you know, adult bees live up, die, and then baby bees die. Okay, it affects all the wood the affected bees touch. In some states, they had to burn the wood, which is the hardest work they did down the drain. Exactly.
Hey! Next up is neonicotinoids. Wow, big word. This is the kind of pesticides. This covers the plant when they try to touch it. It infects the bees when they either bring it back or they die there. And anyway, they're going to die. They can either infect the whole hive or die there. If they bring it back, as I said, they will end up also infecting the honey, and that spreads around, killing even the baby bees, maybe even the queen bee. Collapse goes the hive. Yeah! Bromites. They might not sound as cool as they are. So they attach to bees while they're out, then when they come back in, and they attach to the little babies that are growing up, and the mother, the female one that attached, then lays a guy and two girls. The guy and two girls mate. That's disgusting. Siblings. Yeah. And then they start growing, and up to 3 bromites, 3 to 6 bromites can leave that, and they'll defect the bees with bad wings. Or it will just totally collapse the hive. So the bees will go down and the bromites will go up.
Hey guys, you wanna know what is bad for bees? It's the bad diets. Because if they eat one thing, they will die off. It's like us eating one kind of food. Like, let's say, if I eat potatoes for the whole entire life, my whole entire life, I'm gonna get the other nutrients to survive. So the same thing with bees. So if there's one farm that has, well, multiple farms that have the same food, they wouldn't be able to survive.
Just like, yeah. So now we're on the solutions of how to save bees. Who doesn't want to know that? Yeah.
Yeah. That didn't work.
So bad. First solution. American foul brood disease. You know how to save bees from that? There are dogs that can be trained, and those dogs can search up to 1,000 colonies a day.
Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot, especially since there's a lot of colonies. So if you get more than one dog, you can search up to like 10 dogs equals 10,000 colonies. Neonicotinoids.
You know, if you spray it, it will kill them. So what you do is you don't spray. Then they can pollinate the plants and everything will be okay. They won't die and everyone's safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa. Yeah.
You want to know about how to help the bees with varroa mites? You know, you have to get a sugar roll or alcohol. But you mostly want to get sugar roll because alcohol kills the bee but saves the colony. But the sugar roll saves the bee and saves the colony. Boom.
Yeah. But the honey gets destroyed. That means no honey. Yeah. Bad diet. You want to know how to save the bad diet?
Yeah.
You gotta plant a garden with different stuff that they can use. Because if it's more than one, if it's one thing, then bam, they're done. And farmers should have to have fields of like layers of different things. And that also saves the bees. So, plant more than one crop, farmers. Or
Yeah.
make a garden.
Save the bees. Fun fact 1. Worker bees die after 30 hard working days.
Fun fact number 2. Yeah, queen bees can lay up to 25,000 eggs a day. Up to 2 million eggs a year. That's cool.
Hey guys, you don't know what the third fact is? It's that male bees, when they reproduce with the female bees, they die off, and the ones alive won't be able to stay in the hive, so they die too.
Okay. Honeybees can fly up to 15 miles per hour and will never sleep. Worker bees will flap their wings on the honey to make it dry faster. Flap, 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 flap. Yeah.
What bee is called with a bad hair day? A frisbee.
Oh, that's a good one, man. Yes. Why'd the bee get married? Because it found its honey. Oh,
Yeah! You know what a bee is called that is born in May? A May bee.
Boom! You want to know what the smartest bees are called? Spelling bees.
Oh, that's pretty stinging. Oh!